What happens when on-screen love creates a legacy? Meet the children of movie couples. From Neo and Trinity's epic love in The Matrix to Allie and Noah's timeless devotion in The Notebook, let's explore the next generation of fictional love stories. First up, we have the charming couple Sarah and Derek from the film Save the Last Dance. With Noah, Madison, and Chloe, this family is full of grace and style, just like their parents. Next up, Mia and Sebastian in La La Land are the epitome of love and music, and their children Ruby, Ethan, and Grace are no different. The Hunger Games introduces us to Katniss and Peeta and their children Ava and Owen, a family full of love and courage. Ron and Hermione from the Harry Potter series have created a family full of magic and wonder with James, Lily, and Alexander. Jamal and Latika from Slumdog Millionaire have the perfect balance of hope and resilience, and their children Arjun, Priya, and Asha are sure to follow in their footsteps. Jack and Rose from the movie Titanic had a love story that captivated audiences everywhere. Their children Jack Jr. and Rosemary embody their parents' courage, passion, and love for adventure. In Romeo plus Juliet, Romeo and Juliet's love is eternal, and their children Isabella, Giovanni, and Sophia are the embodiment of their boundless love and devotion. Anastasia and Christian from 50 Shades of Grey had a steamy love affair that captivated audiences everywhere. Their children Lance and Elizabeth embody their parents' passion, intelligence, and strong will. From Divergent, Tris and For's courage and bravery shine through in their children Zara, Samuel, and Nadia. Sam and Michaela from Transformers bring us Michael, Laura, and Jake, a family full of courage and strength. Molly and Sam from Ghost have created a family full of love, warmth, and laughter with Joey, Emily, and Jackson. The love story between Jasmine and Aladdin in Aladdin was a dazzling one. Their children Namara and Yusuf exemplify their parents' boundless imaginations and a love for exploration. Vivian and Edward from Pretty Woman are the epitome of love and beauty, and their children Caroline and Benjamin are sure to follow in their parents' footsteps. Rachel and Ross from Friends had a quirky and lovable romance that had us laughing and crying. Their children Lucy, Christopher, and Sam carry on their parents' love for each other, as well as their quick wit and goofiness. In Man of Steel, Clark and Lois are the symbols of truth, justice, and the American way. Their children Lucas, Vincent, and Olivia are sure to carry on their legacy. Baby and Johnny from Dirty Dancing bring us Sophia, Mark, and Victoria, a family full of rhythm and grace. Sandy and Danny from Grease bring us Jackie, Ken, and Elliot. This family is sure to have us all singing and dancing. The Matrix introduces us to Neo and Trinity, and their children, Faith and Phoenix, are sure to have us all in awe of their strength, intelligence, and ability to bend the rules of reality. The Notebook was the story of Allie and Noah, whose love defied all odds and inspired us all. They have inspired their two children, Kevin and Sarah, with their devotion to each other and the strength of their hearts. And last but not least, Peter and MJ from Spider-Man swung into our hearts as the iconic superhero couple. Their children Raphael and Gwen have taken on their parents' bravery and strong moral character, ready to save the world one web at a time.